Good morning, everyone. This is hajirunnisa, Associate Professor from Commerce and Management Department. My today's topic is job costing. Job costing involves the accumulation of the cost of material, labor, and overhead for a specific job. This approach is an excellent tool for tracing specific costs to individual job and examining them to see that the cost can be reduced in later jobs. Job costing is used to accumulate cost at a small unit level. So according to CIMA, job costing or order costing refers to that form of specific order costing which applies where work is undertaken to customers' special requirements and each order is of comparatively short duration. The work is usually carried out within a factory or workshop and moves through processes or operations as a continuously identifiable units. Characteristics of job costing. So production is undertaken after obtaining customer's order. Each order is different and suited to the requirements of the customer. Identity of each order is retained throughout the manufacturing process from start to finish. Production cycle is usually short. A large order may extend beyond 1 year. Cost information is collected by job order. The next topic is objectives of job order costing. First point, it helps in finding out the cost of production of every order. It helps in ascertaining profit or loss made out on its execution. It helps to judge the profitability of each job. It enables management to control operational inefficiencies. It provides accurate cost information for each job or product. It enables management to reduce the cost. It also helps in effective decision making. It provides proper valuation of work in progress. And the next topic is advantages of job order costing. The advantages are number one, better control over cost. Number two, apply corrective measures fast. Number three, more coordination of accounting system. Number four, easy to calculate overheads for specific job. Number five, it offers a detailed analysis of the cost of material, labor cost, and overheads by functions and nature. And the sixth point is job order costing makes it possible to appraise the profitability of a job. Next point, it facilitates the estimation of the cost of a similar job. Point number 8, job order costing allocates overheads on the basis of a predetermined rate. And the last point, job order costing makes easy to identify spoilage and defects to take corrective actions. And the next topic is disadvantages of job order costing. So there are certain limitations of this method of costing. That is, number one, this method is relatively more expensive, and it is also expensive method. Um, with the increase in the clerical work, there are chances for committing more errors and mistakes. Job costing is essentially historical costing. It does not provide for the control of cost unless it is combined with estimated or standard costing system. The next point, it is difficult to make cost comparisons among different jobs. It it is also one of the disadvantages. If the employees of department are inefficient, there will be no benefit of job costing because overhead cost will increase. So these are all the disadvantages of job order costing. The next topic is the distinguish between job and contract costing. So that is the differences between job costing and contract costing. So job costing, it is for a smaller size, whereas contract costing is for a larger size. The second point of difference is, in case of job costing, work is performed at the workshop of the proprietor, whereas contract costing, work is executed at site. The third point of difference is, usually a job takes less time for its completion in case of job costing, whereas in case of contract costing, it takes more time for its completion of the job. The next point under job costing is, the selling price is paid in full after completing the job, whereas in case of contract costing, the contract price is paid in installments on the basis of progress of the work. So in case of job costing, initially there is a heavy investment on assets for job costing, whereas in case of contract costing, initially it does not involve much investment. In case of job costing, the expenses may be direct or indirect in job costing, whereas in case of contract costing, most of the expenses are direct in nature. So these are the points of differentiation between job costing and contract costing. So job cost card or job sheet. So what is a job sheet? Before we proceed with the preparation of job sheet, let us understand what is job sheet. A job sheet is maintained for each job. It records element-wise expenses such as materials, labor, overheads, and when it is incurred, it contains production order number, date of order, brief description about the job, customer name, date of delivery, and any other relevant information for comparison purpose. It may contain estimated cost also with element wise breakdown. So here, uh, with the format of job sheet, we can understand better.